In this video, I'm baking pumpkin cranberry muffins. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's Karen of Karen's Style of Life. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm baking pumpkin cranberry muffins. Recently, a recipe came across my email for pumpkin cranberry muffins, and they look really good in the picture. And so I just decided to give them a try. This will be my first time making these muffins. I'm not a big pumpkin eater, but I have used pumpkin in a recipe before. I made a Tuscan sausage soup last year, and I used pumpkin in that recipe. I'll link that video if you haven't seen it already. But pumpkin is really good for you. It's actually a superfood, at least that's what it says on this can of Libby's pumpkin. And this is 100% pure pumpkin, and it's a good source of vitamin A, so it is good for you. But I do think that this recipe, this muffin recipe is gonna be good, you guys. I'm excited about trying it. And you never know if you're gonna like something until you try it, right? So we're gonna give it a try. After I get the muffins in the oven, because they gotta bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, I'm gonna put together a vignette for my kitchen right here on my island. It's gonna be a fall vignette. So once the muffins are in the oven, I'm gonna work on putting that vignette together. And so first I'm gonna go ahead and spray my muffin pan with some Pam spray. I've got this 1210 muffin tin. I'm gonna spray it and get that prepped and ready. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome to the channel. I hope that you'll consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I do upload a new video. If you're a returning friend, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I appreciate you coming back for another video. Let me go ahead and spray my pan. Okay guys, I had already washed my hands prior to spraying the pan, but I got a little bit of that Pam on, so I'm gonna wash my hands again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bring the camera in closer and pan it down, because I wanna go over all of the ingredients with you for this recipe. All right, y'all, I've already got my ingredients prepped in my bowls to save some time. Right here, I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Here's my sugar, 3/4 cup of sugar, granulated white sugar. 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I've got 1/2 cup of vegetable oil right here. I've got 2 eggs right here. And then I've got my cranberries, my dried cranberries in the bowl, and that's 1 cup of dried cranberries. And the cranberries I picked up at Aldi. That's what they look like. They were 99¢. And then of course, you're gonna need the pumpkin, and that's the, make sure that you get the 100% pure pumpkin. Don't get any pumpkin puree, get the 100% pure pumpkin. And we're gonna use 1 cup of that. Now the recipe also calls for chopped pecans. You can use that if you want. I'm not gonna use that in this recipe because my son has a peanut allergy, and I want him to be able to enjoy these muffins as well. All right guys, so here are the ingredients. We're gonna get started making these muffins. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of pumpkin. So I still have some left in the can. I'll be able to put this in a container, put it in the fridge, and save it for another recipe. I'm going to crack my eggs into this bowl. I want to make sure I don't get any shells in the mixture. All right, let's get these muffins into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, y'all, while the muffins are in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and put together my fall vignette. I know I'm going to use this cutting board. It's sentimental to me. This is my grandmother's cutting board, so this will always have a place in my kitchen. So this is going to be the base of my vignette. This cute little pot I thrifted at Goodwill, and I'm definitely going to be using this. Okay, y'all, the muffins are hot out of the oven. I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee to go with them. If you're a coffee drinker, if you're a coffee lover, let me know down in the comments. When you make your coffee, do you put your cream in the cup first and then add your coffee? Or do you pour your coffee in the cup first and then add your creamer? Let me know down in the comments. I like to put my cream in the cup first, then I have the coffee flow down into the cup so that way it's already mixed in. I don't have to stir it and I can just drink it. And I am gonna be drinking the Maple Pecan by Starbucks, that special edition or limited edition Maple Pecan coffee. Smells really good. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.